Well, hello, how is everybody doing? In this video we are going to clean the carburetor jet. To go to this to see your carburetor, you have to remove the inside of your scooter, right inside right here to the compartment. You just unscrew 1, 2, I don't have the other one too right here, but it should be like 4 screws, and then you can remove the cap of the gas tank right here, okay? Make sure you're going to use some safety glasses when you do this kind of work, because you're going to spray some carburetor cleaner. When you're here, you have to remove this part right here. There's like an arm of the scooter right here, and those are 10mm screws. At this point, you're kind of free to take the carburetor out from here, okay? So what you're going to do is just unscrew the carburetor right here with the Phillips screwdriver. On the back side right here, I have the filter, so I'm going to unscrew the filter too. The filter just came out. This one is an high flow filter. And here we have the carburetor, okay? Carburetor is right here. Now, I'm not going to detach this one from the scooter. I'm just going to open the bowl underneath. That's where the main jet is located, okay? And to do that, you're going to need a Phillips screwdriver to unscrew all the screws that are around this carburetor. We have a little container to put inside, so I'm not going to leak any gas all over, okay? Gently unscrew all the screws that are around the ball of the carburetor, okay? Okay, this is the lower part of your carburetor and the bowl. That's how they call it, the lower part of the bowl. Put it on the side, because later you have to put it back on. So don't take the screws out, just leave it in, but put this one on the side in a place where you're not going to touch it until later, okay? This one is the inside of your carburetor, underneath. This one is the main jet. The main jet, we have the pilot jet right here, and we have the floater right here. That's where allows the gas to come in and out. There is another little hole right here that allows the gas to go in your carburetor, okay? At the moment I will remove also the floater. Right here, I will remove the float. There is a little pin right here to remove. You just press it on the side and it will come out. Make sure you don't lose this part right here, because later you're going to need it. This is the floater right here with the little plug that allows the gas to go inside your engine. Now, place it on the side. That's where the gas comes in, okay? This hole right here. The gas comes in from here, fill up the bowl, and then these jets are the ones that are going to help you to run your scooter. These jets, one is the pilot jet, and the other one is the big jet that is the main jet for your scooter. Now, at this point, what I'm going to do, I'm going to spray some of the carburetor cleaner. Right here I have some carburetor cleaner, and I'm going to spray in every hole that I see of your carburetor, okay? Now you can clean your carburetor right there, in and out. In every hole that you see, spray some carburetor cleaner, okay? You can even detach a tube that brings the gas to the carburetor, and you can spray in to make sure that if there is anything dirty, it will go away. You can place back you can place back the tube that goes to bring the gas to the carburetor. You can place it back, so make sure nothing goes inside the tube or the connection of the carburetor, okay? So make sure you clean all this area, okay? Now we're going to unscrew the main jet. This is the main jet that you're going to unscrew right here. And that's the main jet stand right here. Okay? This one is the main jet of your carburetor right here. That's the main jet. Now there is a lot of holes on the side of the main jet that you have to clean. You can use the spray cleaner, carburetor cleaner that will help you, or you can use a little something to go inside, like a guitar cord or something to clean inside those holes. You have to look at it against the light to make sure all those holes are clean, so the gas will go through, okay? At the moment I will spray them with the little carburetor cleaner. Now make sure you use some good gloves, because this carburetor cleaner is really strong and it will burn on your hands. So make sure you use some really good carburetor cleaner and really good gloves, okay? And make sure you use some safety glasses for your eyes, because if this product go to your eyes, you have to run and wash your eyes right away, because this one is very strong. Make sure you take your time and clean the carburetor and clean the main jet as much as you can, okay? At this point, the main jet looks like it's clean. We can place it back in its location. Now gently screw the main jet in, gently. Because if you screw it too strongly, you might break the main jet. If you break the main jet, you're going to have a bigger problem and you need to unscrew it, find another way to clean it, okay? At this point, look like we're done cleaning the jets. We can replace the floater in the location, okay? The location of the floater is right here in the center. That's the location of the floater right here. See, this one is the floater, and that's the little plug that is in the floater, okay? The little plug is right there, okay? This one will go inside the hole or where the gasoline comes from, the way of the gas. This one will close and open to allow the gas to come in. There's a little pin that you have to put it back in. It will keep the floater and the right distance, okay? Now make sure you don't lose that pin, because if you lose the pin, you have to find another one from another carburetor, because they're not easy to find, okay? Now try to wiggle the floater to make sure it's doing its job. You know, it should be bouncing when you put it down, okay? At this point, we can place the carburetor back in its location. We can close it and place it back on its location, okay? We're done. We can take this bowl away. Now we can see that the carburetor looks nice and clean. You can place it where you just found it. The smaller mouth of the carburetor, the smaller entrance of the carburetor has to go connected to the manifold. The manifold is right here on the left side, okay? Right after you've done that, you place it. You will have to use a screwdriver right here, so to tighten the manifold to the carburetor. Okay, at this point, we just tighten the manifold to the carburetor. Look like it's nice and safe, and there is no problem here. Look like it's good, okay? Perfect. At this point, we can place back the filter and put it back right behind the carburetor. We have to tie the back filter to make sure everything is fine back here, and we tie it up. Here we are. The filter is nice and tight. It's not going anywhere. The carburetor is nice and tight. Yes, it's jiggling. Yes, it's moving. That's what it has to do, because it has to move left and right and take the movement of your scooter when you're driving. At this point, we finished the cleaning of the main jet carburetor inside, and your carburetor, your scooter should be ride a lot better with a nice clean main jet. Okay.